So if this was a regular lecture, this PowerPoint slide that I've uploaded as a layer into GIMP so I can write on it, because that's the program that's working for me right now. It may change. I'm suspicious that it'll change at some point as I learn how to do this. So there will be, like, I don't know, stuff already on the slide that represents information that I want the students to learn, which may be definitions and equations, right? So we'll just say that there's definitions up here and there's also equations up here. And people are excited about it. It's well organized. It's written articulately, articulate, and spelling correctly. I don't know, seems like a minimum bar for most people, but I mean, it depends on the day or if you just want to be ironic, right? Because that can happen too. What else is going on? Probably some examples. I definitely have planned to do some examples that are illustrative, something like that, right? Like illustrative. I can look at the camera when I say this. And like usually the first example is straightforward, right? Because nobody likes a tricky problem to begin with. And my background in teaching says that I have to give enough examples, so you have to do like 2 to 4 in general, just because once you have a straightforward one, then you have to show maybe a backwards one or one that shows features, critical features. So I can write that critical features of the concepts, when it applies and when it applies differently, when there's some addendums, or it might be a little different in this situation, which I already said. Okay, so I think I'm getting the hang of this a little bit more. I'm only on take 7, so right, I'm only on take 7. I don't know how many takes it takes, but it'll do all it takes that it takes.